Hi everyone, I'm Soumya.
Hi, this is Ravi.
As some of you might know, we launched Samastiti Advisors early this year. Samastiti is a platform for undertaking financial planning for individuals, families in a systematic and affordable way. So, like most of you out there, I do not have a background in finance, and I was always intimidated by the world of financial planning. I felt that I would rather have my money parked in a savings account than invest it in products that I didn't even understand. Luckily for me, I had um, a reliable source for giving me advice. But how many of us have access to trustworthy financial planning services? So today we are starting out a series of Q&A conversations through which we will sort of try and uncomplicate financial planning services for you. And so let's start with the questions right away, Ravi. Why is financial planning even an important activity to undertake?
Yeah, so I think we all understand the importance of planning when it comes to any aspect of our life. I think it becomes even more important to plan when it comes to your finances, because it involves money, and the cost of not planning around your money can be quite high. And when it comes to money, you may not get a second chance. For example, retirement comes only once, and if you don't plan for your retirement, there's no way you can go back and then plan for it again.
Right, so let's just say that there are these important milestones in our lives. It could be something as simple as investing in higher education, planning our children's marriage, or even going on a world tour and things like that. We need to plan the finance or the money aspect of it so that everything falls into place.
Yeah.
Talking about financial planning, I guess all of us, the viewers, everybody agrees that financial planning is critical and we need to plan. But why is it that people still are so hesitant to plan out their financial lives?
I think the obvious answer is, of course, we don't always do the things that we should be doing. For example, I think we all feel that we should exercise every day, but we don't
Eat healthy, sleep on
eat
time,
healthy, yeah. And we don't do it. And I think financial planning is no different. Even if you feel the need for it, we don't do it. But at another level, it's a lot more complex. The reasons for not doing financial planning is because there is no clear pathway, and how to go about doing it. Who do you trust? There's this fear of mis-selling so many financial products.
So mis-selling is when you end up investing in a product that you don't really require and which doesn't help you in reaching your financial goals in any way.
Yeah, and happens all the time.
Yeah, so if we end up investing in a bad product, then I will definitely close the chapter. I would rather have the money with me, rather than part with it.
Yeah, and I think that's a fair response for people to have who have been victims of mis-selling.
I think another reason is also the courage that it takes to sort of look at your financial well-being. So nobody wants to be told that you're spending too much, you're a spendthrift, and you have to save this much amount of money.
It requires a lot of courage to actually undergo the financial planning process.
Right. Why Samastiti? Can you tell us the journey that we undertook and why Samastiti stands out?
So I think the idea behind Samastiti is simple yet powerful, which is to democratize financial planning. We really want to change the way people invest in financial products, and there are three core elements to Samastiti. The first is being a no commission advice provider, so we don't earn any commissions from financial companies on the advice that we provide. This ensures that our advice remains unbiased.
Yes.
Second is to undertake financial planning in a very simple way and remove complexity, which people generally
all the
associate.
jargons and SIPs and ULIPs and just run away when these kind of jargons are thrown at common people like us.
Yeah, and which is one of the reason why people don't want to do financial planning, because this sounds really arcane. The third element is to ensure that people actually implement the advice that we provide, and our processes are geared to ensure that people are actually able to act
So enable
money
people
advice.
to execute the financial plan as well,
Yes.
you know.
Yes.
So once it becomes simple to understand, it also becomes easier for you to undertake that activity, you know, not just a document that's lying around which tells you what to do, but we also enable you to actually do it.
Absolutely. I think
So
that's very important.
right. So now that we have had an insight into, you know, the world of financial planning, why people are hesitant, and how Samasthiti helps overcome some of those fears and inhibitions, let's just come to the point, Ravi. Why is it, you know, is this a good time to invest? You know, the world has been struck by a pandemic, and times generally look very uncertain. The financial markets, likewise. So, do we plan and invest right now?
I think there is no bad time to actually undertake financial planning.
Every
In fact,
financial planner is going to say that to you. You know, there's no such thing as a bad time to invest.
yeah, it works for us. You know, and I think the more uncertainty there is, the power of financial planning is even better. I think this pandemic has forced us to ask questions that we normally wouldn't have asked ourselves. Forced us to look at how uncertain life is. Forced us to ask questions, how secure our finances are.
You know, what happens to our families if we are not there tomorrow?
Absolutely. And the pandemic has in many ways nudged people towards better health, towards better planning of their finances.
Has it nudged you? Has it nudged you towards better health? Or are you all gobbling up ice creams inside the house? You know, pandemic aa gaya.
Yeah, so I think at least what we see is that yes, people are asking a lot more questions relating to aspects relating to money, relating to insurance, for example. So I think it's a great time.
So before we close this Q&A series, I just want you to leave the viewers with some food for thought. 3 very simple, easy ways to start sorting out your financial lives, which really doesn't need you to go to a financial planner. You can sit at home and start out these easy steps.
Yeah, so I think 3 things which all of us can do, which will start us on the journey towards financial planning. So first is take insurance, both life and health. That will significantly cut down contingency in your family. Second is to be very careful of debt. Right, this is not the time to accumulate additional debt. You have to be very careful of how you use your credit cards. Income streams are becoming more uncertain, and debt can really wreak havoc on your finances. And the third thing which all of us can do is of course to start saving. And then we always feel, where should we save, right? And there's a very straightforward answer. Just max out your tax saving investments to start with. Public Provident Fund is an excellent tax saving instrument. So just start
Right,
contributing.
even in our journey with Samasthiti, it has been surprising that something as simple as, and very less risk, something like a PPF is also being underutilized.
Absolutely. And that's low hanging fruit
Right.
for all of us.
Right, so those were like 3 easy, simple ways, to start sorting out your financial lives, and we leave you with that. We'll be closing the Q&A series for today. We hope that you would comment and ask further questions that will help us to also decide what we want to talk about in the next series, and hopefully make it a little shorter than this. So thank you so much, Ravi.
Thanks so much, Soumya.
Yeah,
Thanks
yeah.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.